Ceiling fan blowing cold breeze on your body. I can't tell you really what it is, but you got it. Makeup in the morning, you got dresses in your closet, but you grab them tight, you in love with being modest. You a more
unless you pooping. Ooh, that's gonna be in my vlog. Okay. Scratch that. If y'all heard that, I'm sorry. My baby is in the bathroom and I'm trying to get him out of there. Because sometimes he be in a plan and still using the bathroom. But okay, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, Brittany. I'm coming to you all. I'm about to get ready to throw my, I'm gonna do some home fries because I was talking and the camera wasn't even recording. But I was explaining that I am currently doing what's called a Daniel fast, where you don't eat any meat, no sugars, no dairy, nothing of an animal. So you can't even eat eggs. You can't eat nothing that got dairy because that comes from a cow. You can't eat any meat. So it's pretty much like, and you can't eat you can't even really eat only certain types of bread you can eat. So you can't eat sourdough. If you do eat bread, you have to eat something that's called a nana bread. Or you have to eat, I think, the Ezekiel bread. I don't know. It has to be a whole grain. Don't quote me on that or hold me to that because this is my first time doing it. I started back in December 28th to be exact. So I started right when New Year's was coming up. It was something I just took the chance. It was me and one of my neighbors. We are currently doing a fast, and we usually walk together and stuff. So we talked about doing that. So I have been on this fast. Will be 10 days on January the 9th. So right now I am currently been meatless for pretty much almost 10 days. It's hard. And like I said, the first 3 days, my body I had the worst headache. No matter how I ate anything, I had the worst headache. And I guess it was because my body was used to taking in meat, sugar, dairy, and I had cut all that out and just went cold turkey. It was eating vegetables and stuff like that. Of course, when I was preparing my first meal, it was not up par. So I've gotten better as time goes. I've been checking out YouTube videos on people that's doing the Daniel fasting, and I'm getting recipes from that. But you can't eat nothing that has anything. You can do season, so don't let nobody tell you can't season your food. You can season your food. But that's gonna be a journey that I'm gonna be going on, and you all will probably see that throughout the vlog. I know right now I'm gonna be preparing me some home fries. Of course, my family, they're not doing the fasting. They are eating regular food. They're still eating their meat. They're still eating whatever. I still cook the food. I just don't consume it. So, possibly, I don't know. Maybe after I do this 21-day Daniel fasting, I might continue to keep going because it's turned out that it is a little easier than I thought. It's hard. It's definitely a mind thing. But I see once my body get used to it, it's like, okay. But I'm gonna stop rambling. But also, if you are just tuning in, like I said, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. But you will be seeing in the year 2025 of me trying to be more consistent with my YouTubing, being consistent with my diet, self-care, everything like that. So we're gonna be doing that type of stuff over here on this channel because self-care has kind of went out the window for me. I had got back in the mode where I was doing it probably like 2 years ago, and then it kind of just went out the window once I moved. After moving and transitioning to a whole nother state, is like, I just kind of put myself on the back burner. Plus, because I had certain places that I went to do my self-care down there, and now I'm up here, I'm still learning different places. But this year, 2025, is gonna be a lot of goals that we're gonna reach. And we're gonna get there, and we're gonna do that together as a community. I do have other YouTubers that I follow, and they are doing that. Also, they're doing a lot of self-care. Hey, you're still a mom, being mom, doing all of that, but also thinking about yourself. So we're definitely gonna be working on that over here. Got a lot of goals that we are gonna achieve in 2025. So this time next year, we'll be talking about what goals we've achieved and what new goals we're gonna set for ourselves. But let me stop rambling because it is really cold outside. I did turn my fireplace on. because it is cold. I have my fireplace going over there. I rarely turn it on. I think we turned it on during Christmas time just to get the aesthetics, because sometimes it was cold, sometimes it was hot. So just turned it on, but couldn't really leave it on because it actually put out a lot of heat. You wouldn't think it does, but it do. But yeah, it's actually cold out here in Texas. I know more north of me, like more like the DFW area, because I'm actually located in Houston, north of Houston. I'm actually located in that area. They're talking about possible ice. I don't know. Snow. I don't know. But we'll see. But yeah, it's getting pretty cold. But I'm going to get off of here and we'll come back to that later. And I'll probably pick up the camera to show how I'm preparing my home fries. Because like I said, I'm just going to dice some potatoes, put them in the oven. Because you can't have ketchup, but it has to be sugar-free. No preservatives. Pretty much all natural. So I do have that, and I'll show y'all that once I get to that part. But let me get off here because I'm rambling.
Want you to fall in deeper. 보여줘 나의 미소. We're doing a rendezvous, baby, right now. I keep dreaming it's not enough. I pick you up every time we do. We play cause we know this feeling's new. I'm feeling up, down, girl, since I met you. Oh no. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love. We'll take it by the show. Cause I want you right here when you're calling out. Just tell me you wanted more. Do it night and day, make your body sway. And now I'm floating in your ocean eyes, hypnotized, falling right head over heels, still lost in your ocean eyes. No surprise, it's you. Yeah. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. Swimming over Malibu, it's overdue. Cause the baddest of them is you. Swimming over Malibu, I guess it's true. The fights of time is you. My love, my love, my love.
Good morning everyone. Welcome to another vlog. And on today we are celebrating my son's 13th birthday. He's turning 13 and we are getting out. He wants to go to Jollibee's to eat, so we're currently getting out. Just wanted to jump on here before we get out on this road to say that we are just say hey, good morning, and then I pick up once we get out. But yes, I am on here. I currently have on my Sheen outfit, Texas sweatshirt, blue jeans, and black Uggs. I currently have those on. Just pull my hair up, no makeup because it is rainy outside and cold. So like I said, today is my son Brandon. He don't like to be on camera that much, so I'm gonna try to get as much as I possibly can of him. Ooh, my hair is just doing its own thing. I think I'm gonna redo that. But I just jumped on here to say hey, and it is January the 12th 2025, and like I said, just jumping on here, and we're about to get in the streets to take this boy to Jollibee's. your thumbnail.
You get gravy? Not gravy, not pork.
Yeah, here they go. If I need a spoon or anything to dip that gravy with, you want some gravy, Shayla?
No, thank you. Glenn, you want some gravy?
I already got gravy.
You got some
We're
gravy?
sharing it. We're sharing it.
You got yours too?
Yeah.
Oh, let me send this to Daddy. It's a lot of chicken. Stop. Yeah, the lights don't went out. Oh, that's why it said it yellow.
Turn right.
Is they open? I guess they open. They look naked.
They were like, probably like they work there.
I just cannot get with the Tesla truck. That thing is horrendous.
Right.
Oh my God.
Alrighty then.
I swear it look like something. Brandon, why y'all so loud?
Come on. I dare you.
I know.
I swear it look like a refrigerator. Show you see that?
Is
Like this.
Jaden, Shayla, Bryson, Daddy, Mom.
Yep.
Hey, Bryson. Okay, I'll throw it.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Brandon. Happy birthday to you. What a deal! 1, 2, 3. Blow. So we gotta make sure Brandon get you and blow candles out on your birthday, okay?
Echo.
Did you make your wish, Brandon?
Happy birthday to Brandon.
Did you make a wish, Brandon?
Yes.
All right.
Echo.
Okay.
Sing happy birthday to Brandon.
No.
Oh, see you in the vlog. Say bye.